After data loss, it's recommended to take the following action to maximize the recovery success.
Stop using the affected device. Continuing to use your device can overwrite lost data, making it irrecoverable. Avoid saving new files or installing software until recovery is complete. Disconnect from power for physical damage. If your mechanical drive is making clicking or grinding noise, it likely has a physical issue. Power it off immediately to prevent further damage. But if it is in use, let it finish the operation before shutting down to avoid additional harm. Then consult a professional data recovery service. Use trusted recovery software. If your hard disk or device is still functional and the data loss is due to logical problem, choose a reliable data recovery software like RecoveryFox AI to safely recover data without affecting existing files. It's recommended to download, install, and run it from a different drive. Save recovered data to a different drive. Never save recovered files to the same drive they were lost from. This can overwrite them. Use a different location or external drive instead. The sooner you follow these steps, the higher the recovery success rate. Download RecoveryFox AI and start scanning immediately to recover your lost file before they were overwritten.
RecoveryFox AI 2.0 has been released this year. RecoveryFox AI powered data recover for deleted, formatted, and lost files. Retrieve recently deleted data with original name and path. Label scattered fragments and recover them from hard drive, SSD, USB drive, SD card, and other storage devices. To download RecoveryFox AI, click on the link down below in description and follow on-screen instructions.
After clicking the link, you will see the interface open in your browser. Simply click on the download button to start downloading the installer and save it into your computer. Next, scroll down the page, you will find different instructions provided there. At the very end, you will see the pricing plan section. Now here is the exciting part. I have good news for all my viewers. Use the exclusive coupon code BRILLIANT10 to get a 10% discount on any plan. Just click on the pricing plan that suits you best. Enter the coupon code BRILLIANT10 and enjoy your special discount. Hello friends, this is Ali Raza from Brilliant Tech, and today I will show you how to install and use RecoveryFox AI to bring back your lost files and folders. First, open the download file and double click on it to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instruction carefully, and when the step is complete, click finish to launch RecoveryFox AI. Now all drive connected to your PC will appear. Select the formatted drive you want to scan. The quick scan starts automatically. Be patient, the time depends on your disk size and the amount of lost data. Once scanning is complete, choose a different drive to save the recovered file and folders. Wait until the saving process finished. Finally, check the folder to confirm your files have been successfully recovered. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Brilliant Tech for more tutorials. Comment your PC issues below. I can cover them in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.